Hello everybody and welcome back to Yelan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to change your Wi-Fi password on Starlink. So if this is something that you want to be able to do, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So as you can see, to be able to change your Wi-Fi network name or also the Wi-Fi password from the Starlink app, what you're going to do then. So you're going to firstly open up your Starlink app, then you need to connect to your Starlink Wi-Fi network if you haven't already done so. Then you need to sign in into your Starlink account. Then you need to go into your settings. Under router configuration, select Wi-Fi network you wish to actually change, obviously. So then you're going to adjust the Wi-Fi network either name, as you can see, but for this case, we're going to obviously change the password instead, and then click on save. Any connected devices will now be disconnected, just so you know. So you need to reconnect to your wireless network using your new credentials, which is basically your new Wi-Fi name or new Wi-Fi password. And that is basically exactly how to do this.